Hello everyone, I'm Chelsea.
And I'm Brandon, and welcome to Home Sweet Arizona.
A play on the phrase home sweet home. On Home Sweet Arizona, we're gonna cover all things home, like renovations, real estate, making memories at home with your family, DIY, decorating, landscaping, and so much more, including things to do in Arizona because home isn't just the roof over your head, it's people and places too.
That is so true, and we will have some theme shows like this one today. Halloween, of course, is tomorrow, so we want to cover some scary topics.
Ooh,
whoa, look at
that.
So trick-or-treaters, other guests, they'll be heading to your home soon, so we want to make sure you are prepared.
And if you're not, don't fret, because some people call it procrastination. I like to refer to it as the thrill of the deadline. So get ready for some spooktacular last-minute ideas to celebrate Halloween tomorrow, because Goodwill is here today to talk decorations, costumes, and more. Courtney Nelson is the Senior Director of Marketing and Communications at Goodwill of Central and Northern Arizona. Courtney, thank you so much for joining us.
Yeah, thank you for having us. Welcome to Goodwill.
So how can Goodwill help someone who just decided to have friends over for Halloween?
Yeah, we know Halloween is upon us, but do not panic. You still have plenty of time to come into any Goodwill store and find some great items for your Halloween party. So whether you're hosting a few friends and family and you need plates for appetizers or food, we want to get food in the tummies of our kids before they go out trick-or-treating. And with kids, we know they need that great bucket to put a lot of candy in. We have plenty of buckets that you can still get at any of our stores, different cups, different treat books, a lot of different items to even decorate last minute. So you still have time and you're not going to break the bank. You're going to find all of these items for a really great price.
Fabulous deals and some brand new items too, love it. Does each Goodwill store have a Halloween section?
Yes, every single location makes it very easy to find all of our Halloween. So when you walk in, you're going to see it right down the middle of the store. You don't have to hunt. However, we do encourage you to keep an open mind and shop the whole store because you never know what you're going to find.
That is great advice, and is there still time to pull together a last-minute costume?
Yes, again, don't panic. There are plenty of opportunities at any of our stores to find some great costumes. And we do know that the pandemic has impacted the supply chain. So a lot of costume shops might not have the costumes that you're looking for. Keep an open mind, come into our stores. There's great costumes to still be found. So pop culture, Ted Lasso's a huge show right now. So keeping an open mind coming in, you can create a look of Ted Lasso very easily and not a lot of cost. Soccer ball from home, whistle from home, out the door, and you're spending no more than $6, $7 on just one jacket. You can also do off the rack. Again, if you're more comfortable shopping a traditional costume store but can't find the costume, we have a lot of great costumes that have never been worn before, and you're not spending the prices that you would be spending at a traditional costume shop. Kids, so easy to find kids costumes, and kids are gonna make a mess of things. So go ahead, come in, zip them up. You can easily zip it off if they're throwing a fit. And you can have these for year round too. Kids love dressing in costumes throughout the year. You're really gonna spend no more than $10 to $20, which honestly is less expensive than a bag of candy sometimes.
So what should you do with your costume when you're done with it?
Yeah, so we want to change up our costumes every year. You want to be something unique. So if you no longer need that costume, you can go ahead and donate it right back to Goodwill, knowing that somebody else can get a great costume the following year. And you're also helping the organization by helping us to generate revenue towards our mission services of helping people find employment.
Incredible, seriously a win-win. Also, the donation drop-off is super convenient and people can learn more about that online. So tell us about this special contest you're offering with cash prizes.
Yeah, so Halloween is always fun, but we're making it a little bit more fun by having a Halloween contest. So get creative, shop the whole Goodwill store, come up with that really unique, one-of-a-kind costume, and you can submit it to Goodwill with a chance of winning $200 Amex gift card, many other great Goodwill prizes, but make sure you submit it by November 1st to be eligible to win those prizes.
I love it. So submit your photos by 11:59 p.m. November 1st. It's so awesome.
We got to get our photos ready.
Yes.
And thank you so much, Courtney, for helping us get this party startled. We love having you, and you always have such great information.
Yeah, it was so much fun. Thank you so much. Happy Halloween.